How to find hot products on today's session. So we're going to start from scratch all the way up to listing a product tomorrow, okay? We're going to go through finding winning products, financing your Amazon products, cartography tips for the perfect Amazon images, finding awesome suppliers. I'm going to cover that as well. My background is actually a sourcing agent. Does anyone actually know what a sourcing agent is?
Yes, who connects two people together, like...
Perfect, yes. You nailed it. So a sourcing agent is someone who does do the connection. So if you say, hey Alex, I want to bring in 1,000 bicycles, my background used to be I used to go to China for you and find those 1,000 bicycles, put them in a big container and send them back to Australia or New Zealand. And I got out of that. I stopped doing that for a long time ago because it's actually quite an easy process. So I thought, well, I don't need to do it. I can just show them how to do it themselves, right? But we are going to go through finding awesome supplies on today's session. Tomorrow we've got two chaps coming up from Melbourne talking about finding awesome supplies and quality supplies. There's no point selling something on Amazon if it breaks as soon as I open it, right? So you need to make sure that the product is not a flimsy, tacky product that falls apart as soon as they open the package. So these guys tomorrow are going to be talking about how to find quality products. We're going to go through protecting your Amazon business and product insurance. And at 3, so we're going to have lunch roughly around 12 p.m. And at 3 p.m. today, we're going to be going downstairs in the courtyard. I'll talk more about that after lunch. And we're going to be doing some group product research and some speed networking as well. All right, so 5 p.m. this evening, it's optional, but I kind of do need to know rough numbers. So what's happening at 5 p.m. today is we're going to head down to Mermaid Beach, which is about a 30-minute walk from here, or a 2-minute Uber, $7 Uber ride. And there's a Mandarin Court Chinese restaurant. So when I used to run my importing events and my Amazon events, we used to go to Chinese restaurants so you can sort of get into the culture of what it's like being over there, and you can sort of practice your negotiation skills, right? We used to run importing events. In fact, the last event we used to run was actually in Auckland. Who here's from New Zealand? Raise your hands. Holy moly, wow. I did not expect that many people. Fantastic. They're taking over, wow. I'm from Auckland myself originally, actually, so I lost my accent many years ago. But the last event I ran was actually in Auckland, 2014. I used to teach people how to find products in China and bring them over. Back then, it was actually just, you had to get a big container, a big 20-foot or 40-foot high-Q container. You don't need to do that anymore. You fly the stuff directly to Amazon warehouse. So all the logistics at Amazon warehouse, all the logistics that Amazon has set up for you guys didn't actually exist 10 years ago. It was really hard bringing the stuff in and selling it online because you had to learn about Facebook, you had to learn about AdWords, and you had to learn how to get to build a website and market it right. But these days, you fly things directly to Amazon, and the platform actually sells it for you. Does a lot of the selling for you. There's still other things you've got to do, but it does the majority of the work for you. So